Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find any song, artist or album on Spotify quickly and easily. So first, you want to go to the search bar over here, and then you can enter an artist that you want. As you can see, here's the artist. And then to find a song is the same step. You have to search it. As you can see, it's here. And to find an album, you basically do the same thing. So here, search it. And yeah, as you can see, here's the album over that I want to see. And basically that is it. That's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.